Everyone, it's me, Luthfia. In the previous meeting, we learned about grammar translation method. So today we are going to learn about direct method. So we will learn about the definition of direct method, the principle of the direct method, and typical techniques associated with the direct method. So let's start with the definition of direct method. Direct method is a method which target language is used in teaching and learning process without translating in the student's native language. So, in the direct method, the teacher and the students are required to use target language all the time without relying on the native language or mother tongue for translating or understanding the target language. There are some principles of direct method that we must know. First, native language should not be used. So it is the main principle of the direct method. We cannot use native language, but we are required to use target language all the time. Second, the teacher should demonstrate, not translate. Since the teacher cannot use native language in the classroom, so to explain the meaning of the target language to the student, the teacher should demonstrate the words. For example, the students haven't known yet about the meaning of apple. So the teacher cannot explain the student apple in bahasa blah blah blah. So the teacher have to demonstrate the word apple. He or she can use picture, drawing in the board, or bring the real apple. Third, the purpose of language learning is communication. So in the direct method, the teacher should encourage the student to speak as much as possible. The fourth, self-correction facilitates language learning. So in the direct method, when the students speak, sometimes they make mistakes. When the students make mistakes, we, as a teacher, cannot directly correct the student mistake. So the student can use such kind or give such kind of clue to the student. For example, I is a student. So it should be I am a student. So when the students say I is a student, the teacher can say I is a teacher or I am a teacher, something like that. Okay, we have done in learning the theoretical background of the direct method. Now we will move to the some techniques that probably we can use in the direct method. First, reading aloud. So we will give the student a reading passage and ask them to read aloud individually. Second, question and answer. So, as the principal said, that the teacher should encourage the student to speak as much as possible so we can do question and answer activity. Third, conversation practice. So it is similar to question and answer. The thing that the teacher should consider is in the conversational practice, the teacher should use contextualization. So contextualization means that we have to relate the materials to the meaningful context. So the teacher have to try to relate the topic to the student's real life. Last is paragraph writing. So in the direct method, the student not only focus on speaking, but also on writing. In the paragraph writing, we, as a teacher, could give the student a topic and then ask them to write about the topic. For example, today's topic is about sport. So we will ask the student to write about sport. It could be their favorite sport or their experience in sport or any else. Okay, so that's it about the direct method. If you have any question, you can write your question in the comment section below and see you in the next meeting. Goodbye.